Hello, my friends. Today I will tell you about the cultural values that cannot be written in Turkey.
What are those cultural values? Let's tell us so we can listen, my Hajuat.
Folk dance performed within the borders of Turkey. There are many different types of folk dance performed in various fronts in Turkey, and they reflect the cultural stature of each region.
Zeybek, teke, atabar, halay, hora, horon, spoon dances and lezinka are the main folk dances.
Yayla yollarında yürüyen gelin, ay gelin, ay gelin, ay gelin. Almış şalvarını sürüyen gelin, aman, aman, aman.
Kendine de ırmak oynamayı da, cilvel oynamayı da, zeytin dalı kırmak oynamayı da, cilvel oynamayı da, naydana oynayda oynamayı da.
Nevruz is celebrated with the meaning of the Göktürks, exists from Ergenekon and the arrival of springs in Anatolian and Central Asia Turkish peoples.
Hıdrellez is one of the seasonal holidays celebrated in Central Asia, the Middle East, Anatolia and the Balkans. The day of Hıdrellez, called Ruzi Hizir, Hizir Day, is considered and celebrated as the day when Hizir, who is thought to be the helper of those who are in trouble. It is practiced in some peoples, including the Turks. Before marriage, the family of the man goes to the girl's house and asks permission from the girl's father for marriage. The girl makes coffee at the ceremony of asking for a girl. Bride offers salty coffee and handkerchief to the groom to announce his positive answer.
Göbek atmaya, oynamanın geldi vakti saati. Haydi kızlar.
Henna night is an entertainment organized by the bride. Henna ceremonies, which are usually held the night before the wedding, that is, on the last night of the bride's stay at her father's house, are emotional, sad but fun and enjoyable times.
Oynamanın geldi vakti saati. Haydi kızlar kalkın göbek atmaya. Hepimizin neşesi kına gecesi.
The tradition of minstrelsy is a type of folk poetry of Turkish origin and common among Turks, unique to Anatolia, the Middle East, and Central Asia. It is also expressed with the concept of ozan in Turkish.
Sarı saçlarına deli gönlümü bağlamışım, çözülmüyor mihriban, mihriban. Ayrılıktan zor belleme ölümü, ölümü.
Among the sources of traditional Anatolian folk medicine lie both pre-Islamic and post-Islamic beliefs and practices. Lokman Hekim and Ibn Sina are our important physicians. Myths, legends, epics, folk tales, anecdotes, idioms, proverbs, curses and slang words, oaths, expressions of greetings, Names and nicknames, oral history, folk poetry are the known forms oral expression.